Friends, you know the saying, a journey of 1,000 miles starts with just one step. About 2 years ago, I embarked on this fantastic journey. And along the way, I've been inviting you to join me in it. It's all been about food, sharing recipes and ideas in my own kitchen. Thank you for each and every one of you who've joined in this journey. And today I can tell you this channel has surpassed 100K mark. And this is a testimony to it. I just can't wait to unbox this. Thank you for each and every one of you who've joined in, enjoyed my recipe, left comments, gave me a like, and so far it's just been so fun with you. So thank you and thank you and thank you. Now time to unbox and see what we got in here. Here you go. Oh, look at this beauty. Wow. So friends, just listen to this. Presented to Chef D. Wainaina for passing 100,000 subscribers. Isn't that just so fun? What a milestone. The journey still continues. Hey, listen, if you're out there and you have an idea and you want to share something on YouTube or on any platform, don't let anything or anybody pull you back. Get into it and start doing it. Not only did I get this beautiful award that I'm so happy to receive, but I also got this beautiful note. Listen to what it says. If I'm able to finish, I'm emotional. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought unique voice and style to the world, I can imagine, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. I appreciate each and every one of you. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievements. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion, and I know you're there, and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them. And I'm ready to do that. If you're out there, join this channel, and I just can't wait to cook along with you. Just as your growing community continues to inspire you, you guys inspire me. Had it not been for you, I wouldn't be doing this. I'll just be cooking for myself, but I really love to share my ideas and tips with you. And I'm so glad that you've come along with me. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. You guys, because you've always been there with me, I will always be there for you. Thank you. Thank you so much. This letter is signed by the CEO of YouTube, Susan Wojcicki, if I'm spelling it correct. I'm so emotional. Thank you guys, and I just can't wait to continue the journey with you and many more who will join us along the way. Just before I go, Hudson and Chico, you guys are amazing. My love, always. You guys are the rock.